Hi everyone, welcome to the demonstration of Go and Brainstorm, or it can be called GonBrainstorm. I will use a hands-on example to show you the software. Here is the main page for the brainstorming session. The goal will be to name different kinds of cake. After I enter the goal, we see that the AI section starts to work. When there is only a goal and no thoughts, then there will be shown some suggestions or guidance to get suggestions. Now I will enter some cakes that I know. Some cakes I know are chocolate cake, vanilla, strawberry shortcake, tiramisu, and buttercream cake. So those are 5 different ideas. Now this is where I might get stuck. Then I can look at the AI section to get additional suggestions. Yeah, there are 2 which I know but didn't know off the top. So we'll add those: carrot cake, black forest cake. After that, the AI section is updated again. The suggestions I already mentioned do not appear. Moving on, another powerful AI tool is the chat. Here you can ask specific follow-up questions. For example, a question is, what are some cakes that are purple? Okay, now we see the reply. So it gave us some suggestions. Some that are purple are Yube cake, which is made with purple jam, lavender cake, and purple velvet cake, which has food coloring. And for the chat, you can continue, such as by asking more. Now we see that it also mentions blueberry, grape cake. And other idea I think of now is blackberry. I will come back to the chat again for a future feature. Moving on, another feature is the additional guidance or system prompt field. It allows you to guide the AI along. Since my question is cake, I can ask cakes that have no milk. Okay, so there. So then I can press regenerate. Let me try again. Okay, when we have guidance, then there's a header that mentions there is additional guidance, and the summary is cakes that have no milk. And we see now it mentions answers that's guided by having no milk, such as flourless chocolate cake. With the chat, you can also use it to redirect other things. Like maybe, so now let me try another guidance that have meat. Show some answers. So here it recognizes that there is the guidance. It mentions meat pie or meatloaf cake. I will see if it has more. Okay, so chicken pot pie cake. Okay, so another way to redirect is, how about cakes are popular in Germany? Okay, we got some responses. So sometimes it might be challenging to pronounce or have uncertain pronunciation. In that case, there's the play button to assist.
When considering cakes that are popular in Germany, especially with the context of cakes, these would typically not include meat. However, here are some traditional and popular German cakes. 1. Black Forest Cake, Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte. A well-known German dessert made with layers of chocolate sponge cake, whipped cream, and cherries. 2. Bee sting cake, Bienenstich. A yeast-based cake.
All right. Now another category is saving. The controls are on the top right to save, and then view all and more. There is also a note field to store notes that will help you to find the brainstorming session. For example, I click here, write demo with cakes, no milk and meat. So then when I go to the library, I can see the note and pull up this specific brainstorming session. That concludes the demo. Thanks for watching this demonstration of GonBrainstorm, a software for brainstorming. In summary, we explored different usages. We explored starting with a Brainstorm Go, adding ideas, getting AI feedback, using chat to dive deeper or change direction, and using additional guidance to steer the session. We hope you will try GonBrainstorm. Thanks for watching.